Hi and welcome to lesson number 8 of Apps Moment Academy. So as I promised you before, I am going to speak about Newsstand application in this video. And before I will start, I just would like to remind you one more time why I do like to work with and create Newsstand applications. Firstly, there are only 5,000 Newsstand magazine in iStore at this moment, so competition is really at the low level. Secondly, monthly recurring income. Yes, readers are paying you for your magazine every single month. That is why you created one-time magazine and you are growing every month the numbers of your readers. Thirdly is iPad is really expensive device, and that is why customers are more willing to pay for your magazine and stay with you for months and months. Next, no support system. Really, you are spending so little time with answering questions from your readers. Basically, maybe you will get 1-2 questions per month and that's it. And the last one is low chargeback. Yes, conversion rate and chargeback at the iTunes iStore is really great numbers. So at this moment I do have 5 Newsstand magazine live in iStore, and I do want to grow this number within next couple months as well. Also, I shared all my experience with Newsstand magazine in Magazine Warrior video course. However, we continue to improve our app builder, especially for Newsstand apps, and the last 2 months, yes, 2 months we have spent on one very special and very unique feature. This feature is so important that if you are really serious about Newsstand magazines, as I am, you cannot, I will repeat, you cannot go far away in your business without this feature. And actually, let me show you everything in details. As you do know, I started my journey with Newsstand magazine apps in May 2013. I was really surprised how cool is this business, and every month I added more and more issues of the magazine. However, in couple months I finally got a very serious problem with my magazine, and that is the size of my application. I mean the size of my magazine. For example, as you can see right now, at this moment the size of this application is over 50 megabytes. And that's a lot for such application. Yet this is a really huge size because users will not have interest in downloading big size magazines. Am I right? That is why we worked really very hard with finding solution, and finally we are super excited to tell you that new feature is ready for use. Basically, solution is very simple one, and let me show it to you. As you do remember, for creating Newsstand magazines you will need to use one page type. Let me show it to you. Alright, click new one. I will scroll down to PDF page types. This one, book page type. Yep. And we will create the purposes of this video this new page, and as you do remember, you need to upload here a PDF file, and after that you will be able to add different interactive elements to your magazine, to your issue of your magazine, right? However, this PDF page file is inserted directly inside your application. So, and that is why the size of your application is coming bigger and bigger with every time you add new issue of your magazine, because this PDF file which you are uploading here is going to be inserted directly inside of your application. So that is why we decided to allow you to host PDF files on our servers, and that means that the size of your application will be small one, like 5-8 megabytes only, and you will not need to worry about adding new issues of your magazine. And let me show you how actually your app will work. So let's go to the dashboard of this application. So yes, user will come to your page with your magazine. Alright, like here, he'll click right here, and the next page will be proceeding of the in-app purchase. Right, after the successful process, he will come to the such page with different issues of your magazine, and when he will click here to open, this new issue will be downloaded to his device. And that's it. Actually, we have checked all big magazines in iStore like Men's Health, Wall Street Journal, and all of them do have the same system. I mean that when really want to open magazine issue, it is going to be downloaded to his device. And now let me show it to you how to use this new feature. And the first thing which you need to do is to go to right here to the page settings and choose this section, hosted resources. Okay, now when for example, let me show it to you right here. Yes, so for example, we do have here already like 6 issues of this magazine. So right here you are selecting for this page which PDF file you want to use, and you are going to upload. So for example, for this one I'm uploading, or like here. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Okay, for second issue you are also choosing which file you want to upload. Alright, okay, and when you are done, you are saving right here, save changes, and click done. Okay, now we will go to the edit pages, and for example this second one issue we are going to correct. Okay, as you can see, this file is, as I said, already uploaded inside application, so I do want to remove that, and instead of that you need to click right here. I will show it to you. Yes, right here, and I'm using this file. Okay, generate preview. Let's wait a little bit, and here we go. The file is, as you can see, the images are the same one, but right now this PDF file is hosted at our servers. So you are clicking save changes, or if you do want to add different interactive elements, you can do this, and don't forget to save changes and click done. And basically that's it. If you already do have magazine and you want to correct that, I do recommend you, after you will proceed these steps for each issue, go to this resource manager right here and simply find PDF files to delete from your application. For example, like this one. Yes, okay, like this one, and delete checked files. So again, with this new feature you'll be able to have a small size of your application, around like 5-8 megabytes. And when you will do have that, I do believe that it will be way easy for you to get more downloads and more conversion rate from your marketing methods. And again, please note that this feature is unique one, and only at appsmoment.com it is available at this moment. Alright, that's it for today, and in the next video I do want to show you one marketing method for Android apps. I do believe that this free method can boost installs of your Android apps by like 2-3 times only. So thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye.